Hello, in this video I want to show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on NOKIA X30. And to do this you'll need to scroll down notification bar, scroll down even more. Here you can see all of the shortcuts, and to edit them click on this pen button. Here you'll be able to drag and move icons so you can get auto rotate in the first tab. You can also remove the icons by holding your finger onto them and dragging them down, and obviously also you can add another icon but by dragging them from down to up like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.